In this video I will show you how to do a keyword research with Semrush. So if you want to find low competition keywords and get to the top of Google easily, just keep watching this video. Step 1 is to create a Semrush account. You can use Semrush for free, but I've organized a 30-day trial of the Pro plan so you can try out all the features without any limitations. To get a free trial of the Pro plan, just click on the link in the resources section. To start, click on a 30-day free trial. And over here create your account as you would with any other service. I usually go with my Google account to speed up my registration process. Semrush will ask you for the credit card number, but don't worry, it won't charge you anything until the free trial is over. And the good thing is that you can cancel your subscription at any time. When you are in, you will land on the main screen where you can see your competitors, organic traffic, domains and more. But for our keyword research, we need to go to the CEO dashboard over here. Before you jump straight into researching your keywords, make sure to create a list of keywords that you want to use. Let's say, for example, you have a graphic design company and you use canva.com to create your graphic designs. First of all, we need to create a list of keywords. This can be something like this. Over here, you can brainstorm your ideas, describe your business, service, and so on. To start our research, we need to go to the Keyword Overview tab. Over here in the search field, type in your keyword. If you type in Canva, you will get some data. Don't worry about all the information here. I'll explain it during our research process. The first metric that is important to us is volume. Over here you can see that the number of searches in the United States for our keyword Canva is 5 million and 46 million across the globe. This keyword difficulty shows us how hard is it to be on the first page of Google. The higher the percentage, the harder it will be to achieve high rankings. As you can see, it's very hard for our keywords to rank high. I might say impossible. So, to make things better, we need to change some things. If you go over here and change the country, for example Greece, you will see better results. But also the volume is significantly lower. Our goal is to find a keyword in the English language that has good search volume and low keyword difficulty rating. For that purpose we can use the keyword magic tool. Click it on the left side and you will get some nice recommendations to choose from. But as you can see, Semrush offered us some keywords that are completely different from our graphic design business, like Canvas Credit Union, Canvas Alpine, and so on. To fix this, we need to be more specific with our keywords. Go back to the keyword overview and type in Canva Design. As you can see, the volume is lower, but the keyword difficulty is also lower. Don't worry about the volume. It's always a good thing to rank for lower keywords and be first on Google than use global keywords and get no traffic at all. Since this keyword is promising, let's analyze it a bit. You are now familiar with volume and keyword difficulty, and on the right side you can see a trend graph and CPC and competition among the advertisers. CPC, or cost per click, is the average price that advertisers pay for a user's click on an ad. Over here, the bigger number you see, the better. And competition represents the level of competition between advertisers bidding on the keyword. Over here, aim for lower numbers to avoid high competition. Right now, our keyword is looking good. If you want to expand on keyword research, you can see how many people search your keywords on mobile phones and some historical data. But useful information is below in keyword variations, questions and related keywords. Over here you can click on any of the data and you will be taken into the keyword magic tool that we visited recently. Play with the data until you find the great keyword to rank for. Let's say we want to write a blog post about Canva and we want people to search for our post and land on our website where we offer some graphic design services. To do that, go to questions, and over here you can see some questions that can serve as a good title for a blog post. Like, can you transfer Canva designs to another account, or how to delete a shared design on Canva? If we combine those two questions, we have a good opportunity to drive about 2,000 people to our blog post. And if only 1% of those people buy your graphic design service, that turns into 20 clients. Great, right? Of course, there are many factors to consider, but at least we are on a good path. We mentioned CPC before, or cost per click, and as you can see, both are 0. This means that those keywords are not good for running ads on our website. If you click on the CPC tab, you can now see keywords that advertisers are willing to pay you $12 for clicking on their ad. And if you want to run ads on your site, make sure that you choose a high CPC keywords. Also, you can sort by volume, trend, keyword difficulty, and more. You notice lots of tabs in the upper menu. These filters are very easy to use. Just click and select, for example, keyword difficulty, and sort out only those that are easy enough to use. You can also use broad phrases or exact match to be more precise. Also filter by volume, intent, cost per click, and include or exclude keywords you want. One nice feature here is related keywords. If you click it, Semrush will give you a list of related keywords that you can use to drive traffic to your website. For example, if I filter keywords to show me only possible keyword difficulty keywords, I can see that a simple design has a 4,400 average searches per month. So I can create a blog post about how to create a simple designs with Canva and target that keyword that is not necessarily related to Canva, but it can be used. When you are satisfied with your keywords, you can simply select keywords you need and click this to Keyword Manager to create a list. And if you click on the Keyword Manager, you can see your selected keywords. To export it, just click Export and export all of them or selection. And now you can import those keywords into Excel or Google Sheets. To delete them, just select keywords you no longer need and hit the Delete button. Also, keyword popularity has a tendency to change over time, so don't forget to update metrics to get the latest data so you can work with the fresh numbers. This list covers what we did in 7 easy steps, which go something like this. Brainstorm keyword ideas and write them down, then search your keywords in the search bar, then use the keyword magic tool to find other keywords of interest, apply filters for keyword difficulty, and then send the filtered list to the keyword manager. Repeat steps 2 to 4 for any additional keywords. And then when you are done, refresh metrics from the keyword manager to get the most accurate data. So that wraps up how to do keyword research with Semrush. It's a very powerful tool that can greatly help you with your keyword research, but also you can use Semrush to unveil competitors' promotion strategies, find the best keyword for advertising campaigns, schedule and post content on social media, and much more. So click the link in the resources section to try it out for yourself.